Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make a space private in ClickUp. This is particularly useful when you're working on sensitive projects or need to restrict access to certain team members, ensuring that only authorized people can view and edit your workspace. First, open your browser and navigate to clickup.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signing into the account where you have the appropriate permissions to modify space settings, as you'll need administrative access to make these changes. After logging in, you'll land on your main dashboard. Here, take a look at your left-hand panel where you'll see various navigation options. Click on Spaces to view all the workspaces you currently have set up. This will display a list of all your active spaces, making it easy to locate the one you want to make private. Now, from this list, select the specific space you want to make private. This could be a project space, a departmental workspace, or any other space you've created. Click on it to ensure you're working with the correct space, as making it private will affect who can access all the lists and tasks within it. Once you've selected your space, look for the three dots icon located beside the space name. This icon typically represents additional options and settings. Click on these three dots, and a drop-down menu will appear with several management options for this space. From the drop-down menu, click on Sharing and Permissions. This section is crucial because it controls all the access settings for your space, determining who can view, edit, or collaborate on the content within. This is where you'll configure the privacy settings to limit access. In the Sharing and Permissions window, you'll see an option that says Make Private. Click on this option to immediately convert your space from a shared or public workspace into a private one. This action restricts access so that only people you specifically invite will be able to see or work within this space. And there you have it, your space is now private. This means that all the tasks, lists, and content within this space are now protected and only accessible to authorized members you choose to add. This gives you complete control over your sensitive projects and maintains confidentiality within your team. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.